You are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to, and your words are far more powerful than you can imagine. Repeat these affirmations in your head or out loud each day for 21 days to form a habit and help you transform your life and your business. Play this video in the background while you work, or sit and watch this video each morning to get your day off to the right high vibrational start. I am a success magnet. I have an abundance mindset. I am grateful for everything I have and everything on its way to me. I am building a powerful and positive brand. I attract many positive opportunities for my business. I can accomplish anything I set my mind to. The quality of my products increases each day, week, and month. My products are creative, unique, and fill a gap in the market. I am smart enough to be very successful in my business. I make great decisions in my business. I am dependable. I am always on top of emails, DMs, comments, and I reply to clients and customers right away. I am reliable at communication. I am an effective communicator when it comes to my business. I am a business genius. My business is thriving. I make sales regularly and effortlessly. My business is very lucrative. Making money is fun to me. I am highly successful and profitable in business. I make great investments with my money. I am great at budgeting my money. I always have the capital and funding that I need. I am paid extremely well for the work that I do. Everything that I touch turns into gold. My talents allow me to have the life that I love. I earn a tremendous amount of money with my business. I earn more than enough money to pay all my bills and travel the world through my business. Each month I earn more and more with my business. As my business grows, my team grows, and all members of my team believe in me and my vision. I am a great leader. I have a strong and loyal team with the central goal to win. I have great business relationships. Others speak very highly of me. I am divinely guided towards the best people and opportunities for my talents to flourish. Others love doing business with me. I have the best team of people who all understand their roles, complete their jobs quickly and efficiently, and make our workplace a fun and productive environment. I've learned to delegate any task that I don't enjoy or am not naturally good at. I let go of control and allow those who are better at tasks take the lead. My team all get along and have fun working together. The team love to spend time together outside of work and are constantly being creative and sharing new ideas. Each team member works at improving their skills to better serve the business. All my team members are working to make my business the best it can be. People love to leave positive feedback for the work that I do. I am attracting new, high-quality clients, customers, and partners every day. Positive opportunities for me to allow my talents to shine flow to me every day. The people around me are cheering me on and helping me to succeed. My friends and family support me and my business and are so proud of what I am achieving. My customers love shopping from me and always leave positive feedback. When I use my products in public, strangers always ask me where they're from and are so impressed when I say it's my own business. My customers always return for more and make second, third, and 50th purchases. My clients and followers are eternally grateful for my work and appreciate all that I do. My customers are happy to pay what I am charging for my products and services. My products are priced what they are worth, and each sale earns the business an excellent profit margin. My clients gladly pay whatever I ask and never complain about prices. My customers understand that my products are premium and are happy to pay me for my time, effort, creativity, and the pleasure of purchasing from me instead of someone else. My email list continues to grow steadily and is a constant stream of new customers and new orders. My social media accounts grow each time I upload. Each post receives likes, comments, and shares from people who love my business. Each post helps to attract more customers to purchase. My followers love to see behind the scenes of my brand, and it makes them want to purchase even more. My business has gained viral success on more than one occasion. Customers, followers, and strangers compliment our social media profiles because they are so aesthetic, user-friendly, and unique. Our customers understand our vision and appreciate all the hard work that goes into creating the business. My business is helping to fill a need for my target audience, and they are so happy and grateful to me for what I provide. My followers love to support me and my business. I gain thousands of new followers each week through my social media strategy. My videos are aesthetic and educational, and the photos perfectly showcase the products on offer. My social media shows our company's personality and our products at the same time. It's easy to run a successful brand social media account, and we experience growth regularly. I constantly receive kind messages of people wanting to place orders or thank me for starting my business. I learn something new each day and continue to improve and expand my business. When problems arise, I stay calm and figure out how to fix it. As a team, we are working towards reducing our environmental impact, reducing production costs, and also keeping product costs affordable. My work has a positive impact on the world. My business is doing right by the environment and by women. Our production system does not contribute to over-consumerism or to excessive plastic use. Our customers appreciate our efforts to create and sell more sustainably and are willing to pay more to receive these benefits. The business has grown so much from where it started and continues to grow and improve each and every day, while holding true to its core values and vision. I'm so grateful I started my business. It's brought me more joy, more growth, and more money than I could have ever imagined. All my wildest dreams are now coming true. And it's all because I chose to take the leap and start. Thank you for listening to these affirmations. For the best results, listen every day for 21 days to form a habit and rewire your brain for success. I'd love to hear from you in the comments, so please share any stories relevant to this video.